our recent video, we are already discussing we should definitely do during the process. Now, we are going to discuss the things we should not do. Are you ready? Let's go! There are 4 major things we must absolutely avoid. The first thing is don't use high back pressure except when including recurring material or color concentrates. Apart from this, don't use small vents since excessive gas is not produced. Small conventional vents of 0.01 to 0.015 inch are adequate. Besides, another thing that we should avoid is discard scrap material. This is because if scrap material initially dried and processed properly and is free of contamination, it may be blended with virgin material up to a level of 25%. Next, strictly reminder, please do not rely on visual inspection to judge the physical properties and quality of a molded piece. Try to test it first under exacting condition. During the drying process, don't attempt to decrease drying time by raising the temperature above 108 degrees Celsius. This is because it may cause pellet to stick together. In the hopper, the material will begin to absorb moisture. It is a good practice to keep the material in the hopper as dry as possible. That's all from this part. For more updates related to manufacturing tips, design tips, and some plastic injection inside the tricks for you to create excellent products that work as a solution for mankind, do subscribe our YouTube channel and turn on notification. See you again. Bye bye.